Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make orange iced tea at home. First, steep 4 black tea bags in 2 cups of hot water for about 5 minutes. This creates a strong tea concentrate. After steeping, remove the tea bags and allow the tea to cool completely. A strong, cool base is essential for the best flavor. Next, let's get that fresh orange flavor. Juice 2 to 3 fresh oranges to get about 1 cup of juice. Freshly squeezed juice makes a big difference, providing the best taste. You can also prepare a few thin orange slices to use as a garnish later, adding a nice visual touch and extra aroma. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour your cooled tea concentrate and the fresh orange juice into a large pitcher. Then, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, such as honey or simple syrup, adjusting to your taste. Stir everything thoroughly until it's well blended. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious orange iced tea. Fill your glasses generously with ice cubes. Pour the tea mixture over the ice. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each glass with an orange slice or a sprig of fresh mint. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.